What is up, guys? We're back at it again with another video. CT Drag, back at it again. Alright, so today we got Snowflake in here in the garage because
what's going on, guys?
We're gonna do some what are you doing? What are you doing, man?
This one actually looks like the other one.
What? Hell nah. Fuck that.
That does.
Oh, because I cleaned it a bunch of times. But we actually have a Snowflake in the garage right now. We're pretty much prepping her up for this weekend because he's telling me that we're going to put this shit in kill mode this weekend. Because if you guys didn't see it on Instagram, Facebook, CT Drag, yo, Clyde was out there. The video's right here. Beep. But yeah, he was out here. He was smoking cars. He kept up with a Camaro, right? That's what it was, a Camaro?
First off, let's not talk about what I kept up with.
I know. The video's right there, though.
Let's talk about what I smoked. You feel me? Let's talk about that one. That was a win. Clyde got his first win. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. No bullshit. I went out there. I was like, you know what? We went to the spot to go meet up. There was nobody there. I told Tyler, let's go to the spot and let's go see if they're over there. So I'm rolling over there. I don't see shit. But as soon as I turn the corner, I see all of them out there. I'm like, okay. So I'm like, the only muscle car out there is the other Camaro. There was another Mustang like mine, a New Edge, just like mine, but it was green or blue. And I drive down there and I turn around and I'm thinking that Tyler's gonna come pull up next to me so we could just make a little noise. That's what I thought. As soon as I turn around,
time out. Tyler don't race. Stop playing.
That's what I thought. So as soon as I turned around, I looped around and I pulled up a brand new 2019 Civic Type R pulls up right beside of me. Now in my mind, I'm thinking I'm about to get smoked. You know what I'm saying? Because like I haven't tried the car yet. We can't really talk. We've done stuff to the car. This video is gonna be.
Yeah, it was pretty much like a prototype. What we did.
We talked about it in the last video.
We did, but we didn't really shoot. This was really like what we did to that car was a prototype. We just wanted to see if it would work.
Test the car to see what it was gonna do.
Exactly.
We did hook up the nitrous on the car. We did get BBK air intake. We did hook that up as well. So we got all that going, but. We went out and tested the car, and let's just say I school bust a Type R with this bad boy on a 50 shot. Right out the hole. Like my first race of the season, like real race, like outside
of our friends, yeah.
And I was very, very proud of myself. I watched the video probably 100,000 times already. No bullshit. But the clutch is slipping on Clyde, so we're going to just put this on pause for just one weekend. I can still drive it right now the way it is.
You just can't race it.
I can race it without the bottle. As soon as I go on the bottle, you feel the clutch letting it loose. So we're gonna worry about that later. Last week was my week. This week is your week. So
Snowflake is coming out to play.
Believe it or not, this thing is actually kind of fast.
Yo, this show's pretty quick. Listen.
Show them what we got going on.
This is a sneak peek.
No, because we're pulling this out. We're gonna show
that's right.
Remember how we were talking about last week? We just wanted to make it work, and kind of go in and out.
Yeah.
And I think this shit blew the tip off of this too. There's supposed to be like a little tip thing that goes like this.
Yeah.
I think that shit blew off. But all we gotta do, remember how I was telling you how we were gonna use a cigarette lighter today?
Yeah. My cigarette lighter doesn't work though.
So look, here's our power. We just plugged in. The battery's dead right now. So all we do is it's hooked up to the solenoid and to the button, and we just plug it in like that, and then you got the button right here, and then the bottle goes here, but we don't got the bottle. So now, watch out real quick. I don't know if it opens up far enough. Probably not. Pull it. All we do is just friends sharing nitrous cans. What has the world come to? Like, nah, I just told him I was fucking with him. Voila. So we have the option of running fuel, but this is what I was telling you, is that we can just disconnect this because this is actually not a fuel. This is a nitrous one, not a fuel one.
Mm-hmm.
The wires are here, that's why it's taped like that. But we can disconnect this and run two dry, just run a dry jet, block this one, get another tip for a dry one, and hook it up to another solenoid with another line, another bottle, and have two dry kits.
Oh, okay. Now I know what you're saying. Yeah.
And so what we would need is just a line to go from here to the tank.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And then another one, because we got the jets, we just need another nozzle.
Right.
But there you go. Now we got pretty much, it's just...
So the nitrous kit is right there. Yep. We've got the brand new axle over there because I forgot to tell you guys. So we're replacing this axle because I'm having an issue on this side where like there's like a weird noise. There's like play with the wheel. Like I know I need like a tie rod, probably a ball joint, something. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But I got the axle over there. I got the axle right there. Got the royal purple oil right here. Then because we just put some random ass oil in the transmission, I bought some synchro mesh.
Yeah, you put Tiffany's fucking oil. Look at the ground right there. She's pissed. She's like, "Where's my oil at?"
I still got the leftover in the back of my car.
I told her, I said, "I think I gave it to you." I knew I gave it to you.
We also got new spark plugs because those are fucking beat. Plus, we're gonna be on the bottle, so we want to be as safe as possible. Oil filter. With that said, we're all set with that. And yeah. So I'll get back to you guys in a couple. Alright, like I was saying, Snowflake right now is about to get spark plugs, oil, all that good stuff. And we're actually gonna I don't think I'm gonna take off the fenders today. I'll probably take them off tomorrow. But we're gonna take out the fenders because we're actually gonna run slicks this weekend. That's why we bought the brand new axle, because that axle is like bad. It's got play in it. It's got a little bit of play. But yeah. So
Yeah.
we're doing that. Slicks, the nitrous kit installed. And this is what he was trying to explain to me. I didn't really understand it at first, but he basically made two kits. There's one, hold on, I don't know if I'll be able to catch it.
These are just gonna be dry.
So these are gonna be two separate dry kits. One right there, one right here. Look at that, he already got the screw. We'll probably put like a gasket maker.
And it threads too, look. Lovely.
Oh, that's perfect.
It threads.
So we could both be running nitrous at the same time.
I just gotta find a line, another line, which I actually have right there, but I don't think that's long enough. All we gotta do is just trim this right here, so this is a ground, this is a positive. We'll put a butt connector here, and then have that, and then for mine, we'll keep this, I guess, because your cigarette lighter doesn't even work.
Yeah.
And for yours, we'll try to find a trigger on the horn. I think that'll be the best solution.
Yeah, but how do I use the horn though?
You push. Oh, you don't have a horn.
That's what I was telling you.
You have an aftermarket steering wheel.
Yes. That's what I was telling you, bro.
You're gonna see the difference in quality when you have somebody. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
Look at that haircut he got. Yeah, caveman status yesterday, no lie. That's the thumbnail.
You gotta give me with the car, son.
Look, there's a plate right there.
Where? What?
So remove this plate right here. You see it?
That's the rubber, right?
Yeah, remove that plate. And that will be our access port to inside.
Firewall!
I don't know if it's gonna... Yeah.
I already see it. Look at that. Smooth, baby! So your boy got the jet inside the intake. So
quick release.
Quick release, Poppy.
Quick
I know
release.
we're doing this like really ghetto. It's literally just for this weekend, so we actually like do everything the right way.
We're sharing parts right now,
Yeah,
and we're just. This is your daily, so it's kind of like it has to go into beast mode on Thursday, so it can be race ready for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Put the headlight back in. Yeah, we're taking the headlight out.
Yeah, we already took it off.
We need volume. We need more velocity.
Because what we're actually gonna do is.
Oh shit! You're gonna have to tuck it underneath.
What?
The pipe. I'll move that around, yeah.
So he's gonna sit like it. Oh wait.
Yeah,
So was it this way?
Yeah, yep.
Where's the other pipe?
Right here.
Oh.
Yeah, so we gotta go over there. Perfecto. It's just like a Lego kit. We just like Lego it together.
Where'd you put that flux? Put it on this.
It's around there. We'll find it. There you go.
Dang.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. Yeah, for now on, we're not gonna call zip ties anymore. What are we gonna call them?
Release, Bobby.
We're putting quick releases. That's what we're gonna call them for now on, quick release. Grab me a pile of those quick releases. Why? Cause you're scared niggas is gonna feel some type of way? Yo, you're on Flake, bro!
Yo, for real, everybody's gonna hit me with that bullshit, yo. You know for a fact they are too, yo. Nah, nigga, I don't want to race your
Bro, wait, hold on. What's this peapod coming out of your headlight? Your K-series. Watch, niggas is mad dumb. They're gonna be like, it's K. Like, what are you talking about? It's on this side.
Alright, guys, so the cold air intake coming out the headlight, it's done. It looks pretty good. This is all pretty ghetto, but we're still gonna smoke some niggas, man. So it don't even matter. He's finishing up with the nitrous kit right now. He's trying to mount it on to
Please open that door. I'm in here. How's
the shifter with a button like how he did in the Mustang.
Yeah, we're just gonna kind of just, since we don't really have a big budget.
Yeah.
Weekend.
All right, so me and Randy just took a break because I decided to eat some Pringles. You know what you gotta do after you're done with the Pringles and you're thirsty? You fill that bitch with water and you drink out of it like a cup. Why? So after a couple minutes of him finagling, he got, this is, all right, let me explain something to you guys. This is all something new to me. I've never ran nitrous before. I've only been in nitrous cars before. I've never actually ran it. And the way that we're doing it, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is all new to me. So this is like a learning experience.
I mean, it's not hackery. What we're doing is we're just kind of just lightly putting it in there.
Yeah.
So you can take it out because you might not be keeping it in here.
Yeah,
You might be putting it in the other car. So we're just putting it in here so it's in here so you can use it, function properly. Look, it won't turn on when it's off. Put the key on.
We're in business.
Yeah, we're good. We hook the bottle up tomorrow, it'll be good to go.
So, Snowflake, Randy pretty much taught me how to hook all of this shit up. It's working now. You could actually hear it. The button's working. Head the line underneath. What I think I'm planning on going to do is, all right, so the line is right here, right? So I'm thinking of grabbing like my North Face duffel bag or like a big bag and just putting the bottle in it and just throwing it right there on the floor. Nobody will even notice. It's gonna be dark as hell. Nobody's gonna know. Well, I think this is gonna be really fun. This is gonna be an experience. I'm gonna be smoking some cars this weekend. Or at least let's hope that I do. Let's hope she doesn't blow. We also got the cold air ram intake custom out the headlight. And then now what I'm doing is changing the spark plug so we don't have any issues with that. So let me do that real quick. Alright, so we got a lot done for today. Quick shit. Everything's working as it should. And it sounds pretty good. You can hear the suction. It's pretty good. But we're gonna leave it at that. I already changed out the spark plugs. Sounds good. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and do a couple other little things to it. Like I said, the axle oil change, transmission oil change, and we're gonna test it tomorrow on the bottom. So on that note, see you guys in the next video.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around.